Suites, also known as the Suites. This is right in the middle of campus. Like, the cab is right there. The new student center is right here. Lovely place to live. You're just right there. And you guys know I don't have a key, so I gotta leave. Yeah. Thank you. Okay, so right here, hey girl, is the lobby area. This is the RA, VA. Hey, what's up, James?
Man, go ahead.
Okay, so we're here in the lobby area where they have drinks and snacks. Okay, this is the lobby area where everybody can eat, relax, and hang out with their friends and watch TV.
Alright, I'm Malik Warren from Raleigh, North Carolina. I'm a junior, psychology major. On campus, I'm known as a noob, and I'm also in CAB. If you don't know what that means, it's Campus Activity Board. This is the bathroom area. In the bathroom, I share a bathroom with another person, so we're not gonna go in there. He doing his thing. Live fire balloon. Yeah, I love hats, so yeah, all my hats gotta be on the wall. Shoes. This is a small collection, just not all of them. So yeah, cool. Red light, you already know the vibes, big nuke. It's everything. I like candles, so a candle's gonna be in my room. The little refrigerator, microwave, food up top with the laundry, real college setup. And where the magic happens. It's small, but it's there. Boom. Under my bed, it's kind of junky, but I got the rest of my shoes, jackets, water, book bags, any unnecessary stuff for real. Just throw it on the bed. In my building, we control the air and the heat, so this is my favorite part. I'm sure y'all do too, if you stay in the suites. Over here, I'm a movie person, so I gotta have a collection of movies. 90s movies, late 80s movies, early 2000s, all of that. My PS4, got to have that. And, you know, extra sauce for when the ladies not doing their job, they don't give you extra sauce, so boom, I gotta keep that. Here is a chair from high school. Don't worry about how I got it, but it's there. It's cool. My closet. Yeah, it's wintertime, so I'm gonna have a bunch of jackets, all that, blazers, jeans, shirts, sweatpants. That is not folded, so don't worry about it. And my textbooks, 16 credit hour classes. Boom. That's about it.
I hope you guys enjoyed that room. Let's check out the laundry room. Every floor has a laundry room on both sides.
Hi guys, I'm Sydney Atwood, and I'm from Elizabeth State University. This is my line sister, Camille Austin's channel.
Hi.
And right now we're in University Suites, also known as Suites. So come on in. So as I said before, Camille's my line sister, you know, I represent Six Club, you know what I'm talking about. So this is my room. Right now I'm in a double for now, and my roommate's currently not here, but who knows who she is. But yeah, so we have our closets here and our desk, and then this is my fridge and my microwave. So above my desk I have like a picture for our sip and paint from Delta Chi, and I also drew and did a picture for, you know, Delta Sigma Theta Sorority Incorporated. You peeped that 1913, okay? And then, you know, we have our beds. Gotta keep the Listen with Theta Sorority Incorporated pillow. Okay. And you know, we're just going off of like peaceful vibes and all that. And then the way our bathrooms are set up, so here, you guys have a little peek. So we have our mirrors on our doors. And then we have our sink right here. It's kind of like Jack and Jill style in a sense. So we have a sink here, a shower, and then we share a toilet, and then the same thing on the other side. So thank you guys for visiting, and remember, subscribe and like.
Here at the Seats, we have 7 of these lovely blue chairs where people eat and do their homework at. You can even charge your phone. I hope you guys enjoy University Suites. Please comment down below your favorite room. Also, stay tuned for the other dorms. Bye!